Listen to these very effective money affirmations every day for the next 7 days and get ready to receive unexpected money. I make money easily and fast. I am always open to new ways of making money. Money comes to me from so many different places. I see a massive growth in my wealth. I invite money into my life. I feel at peace, knowing I have more than enough money. Money allows me to live my life to the fullest. I am generating money from multiple streams of income. Stacks of money are piling up all around me. The universe is constantly sending money my way. Every day, I am getting richer. I start each day determined to make money. I notice the many opportunities around me that will increase my wealth. I love finding new, unique ways to make money. The universe is constantly filling my bank account with endless supply of money. Money always knows where to find me. Being rich is my birthright. I have an abundant mindset. I welcome money into my life. I am manifesting large sums of money. The universe is pushing me into overflow. I am always at the right place at the right time. Doors of prosperity are opening before me. I am rising to a new level of unlimited potential. My life is filled with abundance and prosperity. I am expanding my wealth every single day. I focus on making money. I make money easily and effortlessly. I attract prosperity with my money mindset. This is my time to be rich. Greatness is all around me. I am receiving money from unexpected sources. Money is always surrounding me. Money keeps flowing into my bank account on a consistent basis. I keep adding new streams of passive income. My mindset is the key to my wealth. I decide to be rich and wealthy. I open the doors so that money can enter. Money gives me peace of mind. I attract prosperity like a magnet. Success is inevitable. What I say is true will be my reality. Money naturally gravitates towards me. I live an abundant life. Money wants to be in my life. Making money is exciting to me. I love looking at my bank account as I know my wealth is increasing constantly. I am making money doing what I love. Now listen to this the next 7 days and notice how money starts to gravitate towards you as you are sending out your intentions into the universe and attract your dreams and desires by the law of attraction. But if you only focus on these money affirmations, you will not generate the deep feelings you need to manifest money. You therefore need to combine these money affirmations with another key ingredient: gratitude. So watch this next video and create a powerful combination that will make you a magnet to money after these 7 days.